Now Mark's going to struggle to get the shock in line. Usually the aftermarket shocks have slots in them at the top. This one does have slots to kind of allow a little bit of movement there when you're trying to get the bolts in. We're including the installation of the shocks with the brake upgrade on this car because it's common to do shocks when you're doing brake work. If you take your car in for service and someone recommends you get shocks when they have the wheels off for something else, often they're not trying to push you. It's just a common thing to do. Since we have the rear end up in the air like this, we're replacing a bunch of stuff. It's common to put the shocks in there. So Mark had to loosen up the bottom. He couldn't get the upper one lined up if the bottom one was attached. So he took the bottom one loose, and now he can get the flange on the upper end of the shock lined up with the holes, and then he can get a little bit of leverage on it and get the bottom one in line more easily than doing it the other direction.